when I hear some younger players playing, I don't hear their style. I don't hear them shaping their sound. I don't hear them molding their sound and manipulating it and trying to do anything special with it. So what it sounds like is a high school kid playing My One and Only Love, or a junior high school kid playing, or it's when they start manipulating the sound and doing something with it that it gets character, it gives life to it. Okay, so for instance, like I'll hear a kid play all the same. I'm not moving my embouchure. I'm just playing the notes. I'm blowing air and moving my fingers. Okay? Playing has to be more than blowing air and moving your fingers. Okay? It's got to be, for me, it involves everything. That's how I feel. When I'm playing, I feel like everything is focused and involved. And I'm thinking of the sound I want to shape. So if I play the first note, that even the first note, I do a little swell on it, maybe put vibrato on the first note, on the second note. Okay, so what was I doing there?